In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up on Amazon Seller Central. If you've been considering selling on Amazon, this process is the first and crucial step to getting your business up and running on the platform. So let's dive right in and take it step by step. First, head over to the Amazon Seller Central website. You can easily find it by searching Amazon Seller Central in your preferred search engine. This will take you to the welcome page, a gateway to managing your seller account and all your product listings. Here, click on the Sign Up button, which you should find quite prominently on the page. Now, if you've already got an Amazon account, this could be your personal shopping account, you can simply use those credentials to sign in. But if you're starting fresh with a new account, click on the option to create a new Amazon account. This is important because having a dedicated account for your selling activities keeps things organized and separate from your personal shopping. Next, you'll need to fill in your personal information to begin creating this new account. Start with your name. It's a straightforward step, but double check to ensure there are no typos, as this is how Amazon will address you in their communications. After that, enter your email address. Use an email you check regularly because this is where Amazon will send important notifications regarding your account and sales. Once you've entered your email, you'll need to set a strong password. You generally want to make sure it's a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account secure. Enter your desired password and then re-enter it to confirm that there are no spelling mistakes or typing errors. This step cannot be skipped because it ensures the security of your account setup. After this, you will see a Next button. Click on it to proceed. Amazon will employ an extra security step to protect your account, usually by having you solve a simple puzzle or CAPTCHA. This step helps confirm that you're a real person, not a bot, trying to create an account. Following this, check your email inbox for a message from Amazon. This email will contain a verification link you'll need to click to complete the sign-up process. Be cautious. Sometimes these emails can slip into your spam folder, so make sure to check there if you don't see it immediately. And you're done. You've successfully created an account on Amazon Seller Central. Now you're all set to explore the platform and start listing products. By completing this process, you're taking an exciting step toward launching your entrepreneurial journey on one of the world's largest e-commerce platforms. Happy selling!